So I got my box from Kristen K. I don't know what's in here. And I'm gonna open it up and then see what I can DIY. So the mystery box items are supposed to be wrapped. And I love a good Dollar Tree DIY, but I'm really nervous about what they are. Okay, so this is challenge 1 item. So challenge 1 item is a dog leash. Not too bad. I think I can do something with this. Oh God. Our flip-flops. So, actually, I'll just move the camera and show you. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am participating in Courtney from Creative on the Cheap's Mystery Box Challenge. So the gist of it is I'm sent a box by Kristen K, another DIYer here on YouTube. I don't know what's in the box. I have to use the 2 challenge items that were wrapped in a DIY. The other items I can pick from and DIY with. I sent my box to Courtney, so check her video out after you're done with this one. Okay, so for the first challenge item, it's a flip-flop, and I'm not gonna lie, I had like a little bit of a hard time trying to figure out what to do with this flip-flop, but what I did, I'm very proud of, and I think this would work for anyone, whether you're a part of a challenge mystery box thing or not. All you have to do is cut your flip-flop down, then take some florals. Make sure to poke another hole at the top of the flip-flop and grab yourself some zip ties. Zip tie your florals at the bottom. These are the 2 holes that were already poked into the flip-flop where the little plastic thing is that goes around your foot. Hot glue those bad boys down. Then put a zip tie through the top of the flip-flop where we poked another hole. Then all you have to do is you can take some burlap. That's just what I had on hand, some burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. Wrap it all the way around the bottom of your flip-flop. When you get to the bottom, hot glue the ends together so you can't see any of the flip-flop. Now for the dog leash, I really struggled with this one, y'all. Well, originally I had a different idea, but then when I saw the second challenge item was a flip-flop, I really had to start all over with my initial idea. I'm making this for a friend who has a door that's glass, so you can see the front and the back. So I glued the dog leash to the back, just where you can see the metal part, hid the rest of it with some burlap, and then to finish this off, I added a bow. And here's what it looks like. I think this looks really beautiful. If you don't have an old flip-flop, you could use a pool noodle for this, or any type of foam, maybe foam board if you have a covered porch and it won't get like really, really wet. And to hang this, I used one of Dollar Tree's suction cups, kind of tilted it to the side since, you know, their window is like a window pane. It's split up into different areas and hung it like that. Bada bing, bada boom, there you go. Really beautiful, nice door hanger. Oh, and here's what it looks like from the back. So not too bad. For the second DIY, I decided to use one of the really beefy ropes that Kristen K had sent me. I've never seen the nautical rope this beefy in my Dollar Tree. All you have to do is just cut it down into 4 equal pieces. Start wrapping your rope and hot gluing around the edges. If some of the hot glue seeps through on the side that you're wrapping around, no worries, my friend. Just flip it over on the opposite side to make that your front. Then to hold this all together, I'm using the burlap ribbon again because I already had that on hand, like I said. But you could use corkboard, whatever you want, and you're going to drench the back with rope so it stays flat and it's all going to stay together. Do this to all 4 pieces of rope, and do you know what we just made? We made ourselves some beautiful summer coasters. This will go coastal. This will go, you know what? They're coasters. They go with any style, boho even, modern, traditional. And I love the way these look. They kind of remind me of seashells, and they really are nice functional coasters. So 4 coasters for less than $3 is a great deal to me. And for this last idea, I decided to use this chalkboard that Kristen K had sent me. Just pull off the bottom of the chalkboard piece. And once again, this would work with any sign or anything you have on hand. Now, originally I was going to try to use the other flip-flop, but like I said, I struggled coming up with ideas for this flip-flop. So the other pieces, it's gone. It's trash. It was a failed DIY I had to toss. So for the main part of this DIY, I used a knee pad board from Dollar General, only $1, and then just a little scrap piece of the extra flip-flop I had left over from my failed idea. Hot glued all three together to stack them up, and then just grab any florals you already have on hand. But I'm using florals from Walmart. They are really killing the floral game this year. These are beautiful magnolia flowers, I believe. Glued that all the way around my knee pad, and the chalkboard's in the middle. Now we have a gorgeous wreath to hang this. You can just use some twine hot glued on the back, and there you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Beautiful wreath. Now this wouldn't work on a door that has a window on the back, but any other door, I think this would work wonderfully. And that is it, my friend. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you check out Courtney's whole playlist. There's a plethora of DIYers doing this challenge. Super fun to participate in and just to challenge yourself and think outside the box. Pun intended. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.